New vehicle on the channel. This is Big Bertha. It's my wife's CBR 600 F3. It's a 1995 bike and it's in absolute pristine condition. However, if you're riding at this time of year, the road salt is an absolute killer. So this bike went yesterday, which was New Year's Eve, and did a Tyne Tunnel run where they close the Tyne Tunnel and about 200 or 300 bikes go through the tunnel. This morning it's been out as well, weather was nice, but it's picked up a lot of road salt and dirt. So I'm just going to give it a really quick maintenance wash before I put it away in the garage.